Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Larry, and I'm back again with another cooking video. So today, I don't know what I'm doing with this British accent every time I do a video, but I don't know. But so today I'm gonna be making fried Oreos out of, I got the red velvet Oreos. They're gonna be banging. And I got the golden Oreos right here. Gonna be doing these two flavors. I mean, I already had like the basic ones before, so I was like, I want to try something new. Miss Butterworth's pancake mix, and I'm gonna be using just Miss Butterworth's pancake mix and water. And then I'm gonna use some olive oil to fry it in a pan. I mean, this is the pretty easy way to go. I've seen different ways of doing it. I mean, but you could just make your own pancake mix from scratch. It's pretty easy. But since I already got pancake mix right here, you know, why not just take advantage of it and use it, you know? So I will be back and I will show you guys how I'm mixing up my pancake mix. So y'all, I'm back and I got my 1 cup of pancake mix right here. I'm just gonna put that in a bowl, and then it calls for 3/4 cup of water. So I got my 1/4 cup here. I'm gonna fill it up 3 times and I'm gonna put it in here and mix it up. So there's 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna take this whisk and I'm gonna stir it up. So like so. Hold on, let me just. That's good. Oh, y'all can't even see. Like, what am I doing? Get it together. Right here. So right there. And you kind of just want it like just like pancake mix. Like this one right here. You know that this needs some more water. I'm gonna add some more water. Yeah. And it doesn't have to be like the perfect pancake mixture, because you just want it to go over your cookies. So I tried it like that. This is a little bit too watery. I add a little bit too much water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more pancake mix. Here we go. Mix that up in there. Mix the whole thing now. Shoot, I know the first time I had fried Oreos, man, that was like the joint. I was like, what is this? Like, this is amazing. I was like, scrumptious. So look, that's kind of like the perfect texture that you want. Not too watery, but a little bit watery, you know? Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna bring y'all over here. You know, the movement, stay moving with me. This is my pot. As you can see, I've been putting oil in it. I'm gonna add this olive oil in here to the point where I know where my Oreos are gonna float. So I'm just gonna add enough for that, for them to flow. Pretty much probably gonna be like about all of it. Boom. So there you go. I'm gonna turn the heat on high so we can get this popping. Get the heat on. And then I'll be back when my heat is ready to start popping. All right, so I'm back and my oil is ready. It's on the stove getting hot. Well, it already is hot. Like, let me need that for y'all to see. My oil right there. You know, I got my bowl right here with my pancake mix, and I got my red velvet Oreos, and I got my golden Oreos. So I'm gonna open it up. Oil already popping, and there's nothing in there. So let me just turn it down a little bit, because you don't want your oil like extremely hot. So I'm gonna take a red velvet Oreo, and I'm just gonna dip it in here. Just get it coated. Oil popping already, you know what I mean? There ain't nothing up in there. low-key scared to mess with it now. This low-key gets like messy really quick. So, I don't know how people get like the perfect, they call it like wraparound, because either way, if you do it with a fork or you do it with your finger, it's gonna have like indentions on it. But you just have to kind of like drop it in there like that. Shoot, I know I was looking scared, but shoot, I don't want to get burnt up. And they do cook kind of fast, so you gotta keep it going. Oop, they stuck together. Got another one. Twist them around. Get a spoon. Tell them on the bed right now a little bit. I'm trying to get these unstuck. There. Get my spoon right here. Get another Oreo. You know, I'm about to do like maybe like 4 or 5 of the red velvet, and then do 4 or 5 of the golden, which these aren't even staying like coated like I did before I did this before. I think this needs to be like a little bit thicker. This oil popped right on my freaking hand, like what? Yeah, I think for my next batch I'm gonna make this this batter a little bit thicker. Just because, as you can see from like the camera, you can kind of see the Oreo still, and you're not supposed to be able to see it like that. So I'm gonna just like cook these right quick, and then I'll be back like when they're finished, and I'll show you guys like what I'm doing to the batter to make it thicker. Well, this one looks good, but I mean on the other side it's not really covered, so we will see. We will see. Because I kind of want my batter to be thicker than what it is right now. So yeah, I just flip them over. And whenever you get them out, you want to get all these little pieces like this out, because when they burn, it's like, it don't smell good. And it messes up the grease. So yeah. So I'll be back and I'll show you guys what I'm doing to my batter to make it better. What it is right now. Alright, so I'm back and I took those Oreos out. I tried to get as much out as I possibly could, the little crumbs. But as you can see, I added some more pancake mix just to make my mix thicker, because as you can see, my Oreos before, they were not as covered as I wanted them to, so the batter needs to be thicker. So I just added like a little bit more, like maybe like almost half a cup of more pancake mix. So it's kind of like more of a thicker consistency than earlier. Kind of like almost kind of like biscuit batter a little bit, close to that. So yeah. Alright, so I got 4 of the red velvet Oreo. I'm gonna do 1 more red velvet Oreo, and then we'll start the golden Oreos. This is way better than the other batter. Look how thick. Yes, this is what we want. This is what we want. That's what we want right there. I'll open up these. And do a few. Get it covered. Up in here, you know, just spin it around in here and get it covered. Get it in there. I'm going to the side. just spinning it in there. And then I'm just grabbing it from like the sides of the Oreo so I don't have any indentions on the top part of the Oreo. And just dropping it in there. Like that. Just spinning it around in the batter. Like so. Dropping it in there. Spoon right here because I messed up over here. I need to flip some of them. They can all stick together. Flip that one. Look how covered they are now. It's way better than my ones that I did earlier. You know, sometimes it just takes trial and error with your little mixture. Like that. This one over, and there you go. You just wait a little bit longer for them. Put it in there. I'm about to do some more. Another one. Roll it on in here. Boom. It fit right in. Like that. This one needs to be flipped over. I'll put this one in the middle too. Oh, I got like a little pancake mix on this one. This one's done. Now it's golden brown. This is a red velvet one. You couldn't even tell now because those are covered. Good. This one has like a little pancake mix coming out of it. So it's not done yet. This one's done. Golden brown. Boom. And we got more space here. Flip that one. And then this one over. Hold on. Mess it up. Flip. 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 This one's done. Oh, I thought it was sticking. No, it's not sticking. This one's done. I'm just waiting on these three. I'm gonna do a few more as well. I think I'm gonna do maybe like 2 more of each, just because I have like so much batter left over. So I don't waste it, you know? Never want to waste. So I'm just waiting for the other sides of these to get like a little bit more browner. So it's so pale. Alright, so I'm gonna do 2 more of them now, 2 more golden. Drop it in here, and then I'm gonna do 2 more red velvet. So I'm just spinning it in the dough. See, like, this is the best dough that I've had before. All them other times I had like some super loose, super gooey, I mean not gooey, but like super watery dough before. Like when you have watery dough, the dough's gonna run off of the cookie super quick, and you put it in the frying oil. Oh, you can use vegetable oil or you can use olive oil. I use olive oil because, I mean, that's what my mom used. That's what we have here. So olive oil is better for your body than vegetable oil. But I mean, if you have vegetable oil, you can use vegetable oil too. I mean, it's a frying oil too. So yeah, these red velvet Oreos trying to separate. What's going on? Oh man, I don't know if this one gonna stay together. This is bad. Cause you know how like sometimes you grab some Oreos and they come apart, like the top separates from the bottom. That's what that one was trying to do. Being weird. Being a little weird. Just be careful with that one. And that one. And that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. So I'm gonna go and clean my hands and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and as you can see, my Oreos are frying. My last 4. So I'm about to flip them. Golden brown. And you have to have enough oil in here where it's floating. I don't know why I didn't mention that earlier, but I mean, most of the time when you fry stuff, you want it to float. But sometimes there are exceptions to that. There you go. Just flip them over. Just let them float. Get that golden brown color. And then we're booming. We're in business. So I will be back when I'm done with the Oreos and I have them all put together and everything. Boom. So I'm finally back. And... ooh, I can't lean it down that far, but... look, hold on. Boom. Look at that goodness. Put the powder shaker on top. And got them right here. Ooh. I'm ready to go in, like, go in on these things. I don't know which one's which, so just grab from the top. Golden. Super good. And I'm gonna eat these with some milk. And I'm gonna be chilling. So if y'all wanna follow my directions, pretty simple thing to make, pretty bomb. You can do it with any Oreo flavor that you want, whether it's the dark chocolate one, regular chocolate, regular vanilla, you know, fudge covered, all them. They all good, they all popping. And I know they're gonna be popping fried Oreos. So you already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, you know, some comments or whatever. You know, yeah. This is how you make fried Oreos. It's not hard. Pretty simple. So yeah, I'm gonna go tear these Oreos up. And y'all do the same thing. Like, let's do this. So subscribe. You already know the deal. Because it's the Poppin' channel. And y'all need to join the Poppin' channel. Share with y'all friends. Tell y'all friends that Larry out here making cooking videos. So yeah. Peace out, y'all. Peace out.